Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on your Samsung Galaxy A17 without using the power button. Now, if you want to unlock your Samsung phone without using the power button, first of all, just use the charging cable of your Samsung phone and connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop. After you connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop, now for the second step, just press and hold the volume down button and the volume up button at the same time. Now while you're pressing and holding the volume down button and the volume up button, just plug the other end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Now after you do that, you will enter into download mode. Now from here, just press the volume down button to reboot your smartphone. And this is how you can turn on the Samsung Galaxy A17 without using the power button. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.